Ministry ya githomo kuhitukira ruhonge rwa mathomo ma kothi cia moko iri ihenya-ini kwarira mitaratara ya kugacirithia mathomo thukuru-ini ma kothi ici kuhitukira mathukuru ma kothi cia moko kana colleges itiganite guku bururi-ini. Stanley Mahindi uria ni murugamiriri munene ruhonge-ini rwa uthurimi wa mathomo maya niruo Kenya National Qualification Authority na muikariri giti wa Kenya Association of Technical Training Institute niwe Okumu Odhiambo maugite andu aria mari na ugi wa kuruta mawira ma kothi cia moko namatithomeire kothi icio nimegukorwo na uhoti wa gutamburikana wona mathurimwo na maheo certificate cia kothi ici.
After this workshop, we will be more than ready and will be more than willing so that many youths will find easy access for recognition of the skills that they already possess, even though they may not have been formally qualified through the normal learning system in this country.
Ikinya riri ritanyitwo kuhotithia magana maingi ma mbeu njithi aria mari na ugi wa kothi ici kugia na mieke ya kwandikwo mawira.
This also presents a good opportunity for our industry, where we know some of them have also absorbed a number of Kenyans who are working for them. But these Kenyans, some of them have failed to earn even promotions because no one can recognize the kind of qualifications they have, apart from the fact that they are very proficient and skilled in their work areas.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma gicua-ini kaunti ya Mombasa, ritwa riakwa ni Ndegwa wa Gathungu.